guys, look what I have. This is the Miyoko's Creamery Fresh Veganmozz. It melts, browns, is delicious hot or cold. That's what it says up here. And it's perishable, so keep refrigerated. I got this at Trader Joe's. No, not Trader Joe's, sorry, at Wegmans. It was $8.49, and this is 227 grams, so 8 ounces, half a pound. Not a lot, you know, it's $8, it's pricey. But my daughter's been begging me to open it so we can taste this. She's excited about it, as am I. Okay, it's got a convenient little spot there to pull open. But let me just tell you what the nutrition facts are. It says for every 1 ounce, you get 80 calories. The calories from fat, 70. Saturated fat, 25. Okay, saturated fat, 5 grams. Trans fat, 0. Cholesterol, 0. Sodium, 90 milligrams. Carbs, 3 grams. 0 fiber, 0 sugar, 1 gram of protein, 0 vitamin A, 0 vitamin C, 0 calcium, 2% iron. And the ingredients are water, organic coconut oil, organic cashews, organic tapioca starch, agar, sea salt, and cultures. Ah, okay. So I'm going to open this up, and let's see how this goes. Alright, I love that it's an easy peel package, so it's already open. And I'm just going to slice a little bit. Now I'm going to make a Philly cheesesteak, so I guess I'll melt a bit of this and put on there. But for now, this is what it looks like. And it kind of feels a bit like a softer sort of cheese. Chloe, where are you? Interesting. Let me see. It tastes, I'm not, okay, how much, taste this, Chloe, and tell me what you think. It tastes salty. I don't know if it's just the outside part. I'm not loving it. Are you loving it?
It's interesting.
It's not, okay, it's a little better as you get inside. Yes or no?
Yeah.
It's a bit better on the like, as opposed to the outside. I'll try this, melting it on the Philly cheesesteak. But I have to tell you guys, okay, the inside part tastes a bit better. Mm-hmm. I made my own cheese recipe, which I was going to upload today and haven't, it's a long recipe. And I like it better than this. But, you know, whether it's partly how long this has been in the package, cheese used agar, which some people will like as opposed to kappa carrageenan. What do you think, Chloe? I mean, this would be good on, like, crackers or something.
Yeah.
But I'm going to see how it melts for the Philly cheesesteak. What do you think?
Okay.
How's it tasting now? Is it growing on you, or? It's a bit softer than I expected. I expected it to be more of a hard cheese. Yeah, I find the inside part tastes pretty good. You know what? Should I grab my cheese ball from the back? Hold on, guys. All right, I'm gonna reach my hands into my salt brined cheese. Now, this is the cheese I made, and just so you see, guys, this cuts like a harder kind of cheese. Tell me if it's still good. Did I show you guys this on Cracker or something? Or I just did it all in the video and I haven't uploaded it. Yeah. This is good. Just take a bite. My daughter's worried it's spoiled.
Oh yeah, it's good. That's
good. It's better than this. Isn't it? Sorry, Miyoko. I'm not loving this cheese, but we're going to try it on the Philly cheesesteak. Like, it's okay. I'm just not, it's more almost like a cream cheese. Like I can, like it seems like it would spread like a cream cheese. Like look how soft it is. And I just took it out of the fridge. Her butter, I love. This, the more I eat it, the more I like it.
Yeah.
I do like. Yeah, the more I eat it, the more I like it.
It almost has a bit of like a kind of strange sour taste to it.
Yes, I think that sour taste is it's like meant to be cultured. So remember how her bulk butter is like that cultured sort of.
Oh yeah.
It's like I think that's meant to be like this, but I really like mine better. Okay, you guys can't see that. I'll put the video up. But Chloe, where's the Earth Island? My daughter just took out the slice of the Earth Island mozzarella, and I need to taste a piece now too. She said that's the best. Yeah, this tastes good. Yeah, the more I eat it, the more I like it. I do. It's just not what I expected. I think I just expected a harder cheese that I could like. Maybe you can grate it and put on. Anyway, this is the Earth Island mozzarella.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to cut.
I don't know if this is a bad batch in terms of like the cutability, because it looks like it would be a nice hard cheese, but I'm gonna put it on the Philly cheesesteak. But this is the Earth Island, and that's just delicious mozzarella right there. Mine is a close second. Love this. Okay, guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna make the Philly cheesesteak, and I'll see how I like it then. And yes, it is definitely still soft. I don't know that I could grate this, but I'm just cutting it into chunks and putting it onto the Philly cheesesteak, and just going to see how this melts. So there it is. This is for my daughter, and I'll be back in a moment. Alright, I have melted the Miyoko's cheese into the Philly cheesesteak, and you can see some of that there. So it's melted well, but I'm going to taste it. It's a bit hot, but I'll see how it tastes on this piece of red bell pepper. It tastes good with all the flavors, and it's melted nicely. I don't know how it would melt on pizza, but as you can see, even looking at it there, it's definitely melty and gooey. So it does melt. It's just not a hard cheese as I expected it to be. But that's okay. Since I'm making my own cheese, it's probably something that I can live without. I do like the Earth Island one better. It's still good. If you want to try it, you guys try it. If it's more convenient for you to buy this than to make yours, then that's fine as well. It's certainly tasty, but I do like mine better, being honest. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And my mother says that mixed in with the whole thing, that it is very tasty, and it is. So it's definitely a good cheese alternative. It's made from cashews, so if you're allergic you can't have it, but if you're not, you certainly can. And alright guys, that's all. I'm gonna go eat my delicious Philly cheesesteak. Alright, this is just an after the meal post-it note. This is my mom's plate, so she ate her whole Philly cheesesteak, and she said she loves this one so much more than the beef, and she didn't think that was possible because she's always loved a beef Philly cheesesteak, but she loves this one with the Gardein meat. So really hoping that I'll be able to find more of the Gardein beefless tips somewhere. As you know, they're disappearing off the shelves, and that's the one thing I loved making with them. Alright, so my mother loves this more than the beef Philly cheesesteak. Thanks for watching.